Ready to solve some problems with me, friends? Of course you are. I need you to get your paper that your teacher has for you with this story on it. You'll also have along with that paper 3 cards that have some number sentences on them. So get your materials together and come on back and join me. Great job. All right, I'm going to read you this story. And when I'm done with the story, you need to choose which equation matches my story. Then you're going to take a picture on Seesaw, so I know that you really understood. Tuck on those little listening ears of yours and wake them up, because here we go. 5 fish were swimming in the pond. Just keep swimming. Then 3 frogs jumped in the pond. Splash! Now there are 8 animals in the pond. Which equation matches my story? I need you to choose one of the equation cards. Take a picture with the paper so I see your story problem on Seesaw.